to Universal Studios Hollywood, and I'm on Jurassic World. I did single rider. I'm in the very back row on the right side. Let's roll that intro. That's right, I'm here with some buddies today, and we decided to do single rider. We're just kicking it off right away. And I'm in the back row, on the right side. It's perfect. I was really worried they were gonna put me front right, or front left. I was like, oh no, I was very scared. Oh, Mosasaurus.
Apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
Feels good, baby. Oh. I love it. I love it so much. Love the Jurassic World, the ride. Fun little fact about the Mosasaurus, it can eat hundreds of pounds of shark every day. Yeah. So I'll just say it's a big fan of sushi, baby. Yeah! Wow! Oh, yes, so beautiful. Usually I save Jurassic World for the end, but you know what? We're starting here today. I wonder how many Mosasauruses or Mosasauri they keep back there. I have no idea. As always, shout out to Mama Stego. I love you, Mama Stego. Let's give you a big hug. Oh, you're beautiful. Ah, here's this guy again. Hey, don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, and you stopped. All right, go back down. Go back down. Thank you so much. Very well trained. That's like so people. A lot of people think that's water. It's not.
All boats in safe zone.
We have gone past the safe zone. Sparky has been unleashed into the wild. Hope we get to see him soon. Looks like Indominus. Say hi, Indominus. Let me see you up the stairs. There's that Sparky. Hey, I love you, Sparky. Oh, I'm so close to Sparky. Wow, I'm so close. Oh, I love Sparky so much. Oh my gosh, the screaming commences. She's coming in for a smooch. Hello, Indominus. Man, I'm on the right side. Just right next to you, except for this final Indominus. Dilo, you stop it. You stop that, Dilo. Dilo, stop. Blue, save me. Uh-oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, love her so much. Love you, Indominus. Blue, I love you too. Don't worry, you're still loved. You're still beloved. How cool. Just like, I hope I never get over this. I know I said that before, but still. Alright, comes Rexy, alright. Here we go, guys, one on the drop. I'll see you on the other side. Oh my goodness, the largest wall of water I've ever seen came over the front row, I think. It was nuts. Wow, that was incredible. So much fun. After action damage report, I got hit on the right side, mostly. Right side, right leg a little bit. But you know what? Not too bad. I was spared. I was so worried. I was like, oh my gosh, we're doing single rider. They can put me anywhere. So I don't often do that. But yeah, like I said, I'm here with some friends today. I'll introduce them later. But yeah, we're starting with the old Jurassic World. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh boy, I love this ride so much. I love it. Smash cut, we're now over at Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. We did Revenge of the Mummy. Shout out to Riley, who's there. But also I want to introduce you to a couple of my friends who are here with me today. And here they are. So these are my buddies from Adventure Street. I'll link them down below. So they're filming this today too. They'll probably beat me to the punch. It'll probably be out months before this one's out. My editor's out in the theme park again. Classic. Yeah, but the embarrassing thing is we're all wearing the same hat.
We should have coordinated that.
Next time. Next time, right, buddy? As per usual, I'm trying to break my high score, which I don't remember if on the channel here it's been like 213 or 218, something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna try my best. We'll see how we do. Wish me luck. We are in it. We are in it. We are sniping.
Oh, it's hard. Okay.
Oh, goodbye. I only recently found out if you hit some of the Team Bowser multiple times in a row, you get like a bonus like coin thing from it, which is cool. It's so cool. Bowser, I'm sorry to shoot you like this. I love you, Bowser. So sorry, Bowser. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Yay, bonus. Bonus. Oh, here we go. Into the finale. We're gonna get that star again, don't worry about it. Where we go? There we go. I need some more shells. Let me light them up. Light them up. Team Bowser, I'm sorry. Nachos. I'm hitting Bowser quite a bit. I am very sorry, Bowser. Oh my gosh. 209! Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I was a little worried there was like I've been trying to consistently break 200. I will take 209. Alright? Front left, by the way. We're in the pink peach car. Yeah, good stuff. Woo! I've gotten one of the mushroom calzones. I haven't had one of these yet, but I've had one of these before. You guys have seen it. You know, you put a little star and spin it around. I'm excited to try this. Here he is. And this is my head. Look at that. Oh. This is good.
Right?
Yeah, it's good.
Better than expected.
They got it too. Yeah, they know. They know.
4 times.
Really? It's like, well, people familiar with calzones, it's like a pizza folded onto itself. It's actually really good. Oh my gosh, this might be one of the best pizza things I've ever had in a park.
Well, I guess for the Canadian crowd, it's like an elevated pizza pop.
Yeah. Has more flavors in it than a regular pizza pop.
I'd never heard of a pizza pop before. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of a pizza pop. My horizons have been broadened thanks to these lovely people. See,
Really, like culinary genius.
guys, this is the channel you're gonna follow for all the hot food takes. Hot food.
They know what they're doing over at Pillsbury.
Now we must sacrifice our little star friend. Goodbye, little star friend.
More vegetable.
You'll be fine. You're okay. I don't know. He's fine. He's fine. Look at that. I feel very much like I'm in alchemy class or something. You know what I mean? I'm making a poultice. Slowly but surely, a star poultice.
How do we not have stuff like this at Wizarding World?
Yeah, Wizarding World seems like they should have something like this. You put a little something in there, a little dash of that.
Color change, yeah.
That's a brilliant idea. Hey, again, you guys, I told you guys they know food. Universal, I know you're watching. You can use these ideas, I'm sure. Just make sure to credit these fine folks.
Or pay us.
Or pay us, that works too. That works too. We are hopping around everywhere in this vlog, and you know what? That is super duper fine. We're heading over to the Studio Tram tour. We were trying to get into Waterworld a little while ago. Unfortunately, we just missed it. And I was like, no, I want to see the Deacon. I want to see Greg Dolph. That's okay. Next time, Greg. But we're going on the Studio Tram tour, so pretty sweet, all the same. It'll be really fun.
Coast of Hill Valley to the east coast of our New York Street. We're going to be heading down one of the most popular places to film on our backlot. But this area of our metropolitan sets used to be home to a studio tour classic. And this might be the big one, so everyone stay calm and maintain control of your cell phones. I mean, your loved ones, hold on to your loved ones. They're more important.
Oh my goodness, he's on the fuel truck. Hydrogen, no.
The roof! The roof! The roof is on fire!
Amazing, yes. More fire, more fire.
I think this might be the end. I have a confession to make. I've never seen any of the Fast and the Furious movies. I just lie and say that I have because I work here. I'm just really embarrassed, and there's 10 of them. There's just too many.
Amazing.
Speaking of Fast and Furious.
Oh dear.
Is it over?
It's like screaming.
What did that guy say? Oh no, if you're sitting on the right-hand side, look out!
Love it.
Well, we did it, everyone. We survived the earthquake. The big one. Give yourselves a round of applause. Like Southern California, just unbothered.
Nailed it.
On your phone.
Totally fine.
Ground mimicking rain. Now the thunder that you're hearing all around us is what we call a pre-recording or a sound effect. It's just playing off the speakers that we've hidden in the buildings. And the lightning you're seeing flash occasionally, that's just a strobe light that we've installed on the tops of the roof. All right, friends up in the booth, this looks great. Can we turn off the water now, please? Tech team, do you copy? Can we turn off the water? We don't want to cause a flash flood. We're too late, everybody. Hang tight.
No way!
Or maybe hang 10. Well, you don't see that every day. I do.
There we go.
Every single day.
So good.
Now that was
War
not
of the
too bad
Worlds.
for an entire airplane, but that's probably because it's an older model of an aircraft. In fact, grown-ups, take a look at some of those armrests as we drive on by. Do you notice anything? There's ashtrays. Kids, fun history lesson. Used to be able to smoke on airplanes. True story. Now, it may have cost Paramount $60,000 to purchase, but they did get charged about $250,000 just to get it here on flatbed trucks, so that's where they get you, folks. Shipping and handling fees. But I know the set seems pretty specific. You're probably wondering what else could they possibly have filmed out here. Well, so many different projects over the years have utilized this set. If you're a big fan of America's Next Top Model, they had a zombie-themed photo shoot out here. Nicki Minaj and Rihanna have a song together called Fly, and that music video was also filmed on our War of the World sets. But from one of the most elaborate sets on our lot to one of the most iconic, coming up on our right-hand side, you're going to see the Psycho House from Alfred Hitchcock's classic 1960 thriller Psycho, starring Anthony Perkins and Janet Leigh. Keep your eyes peeled on the second-story window. Mother likes to sit up there and check out the motel. There she is.
So freaky. They've got her to rock a lot more. Might be kind of hard to see up here, but she'll be right up here, basically. I'm gonna point her out for you.
And just up ahead of us on our right-hand side, you're going to see the scale replica of the Hollywood sign. While we're celebrating our 60th anniversary, the Hollywood sign is celebrating its centennial year.
Yep.
Now, I'm sure some of you are wondering what's going on.
It's a little newer from the last time I was here. They actually have How the Grinch Stole Christmas cars out here from Whoville, which is really neat. But yeah, I've actually come down here and shot a little bit of this in the past. I'll try to link that video for you. Cool new album, Jaws and myself. Get ready for it. Oh, Megatron, Optimus. Look at all that beautiful scaffolding.
Your planet belongs to me.
Megatron, don't do. Oh my goodness. Megatron, why would you shoot at your best friend? Things have escalated. Oh, please don't. Now Starscream. Starscream has got this. Oh my goodness. We're up on top of a building now.
We've got to find a way down.
Oh yeah. Well, we can find a quick ride out, I bet. Oh dear. No, not Megatron. Oh, hey, I found a quick way down though. That's real nice. Hopefully. Everybody, that's gonna do it for my day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said before, check out my friends at Venture Street down in the comments, or in the description I should say, below. If you did make it all the way to the end of this video, then put the word night, N-I-G-H-T. I know we didn't do like a nighttime thing, but let's see if you made it all the way to the end. But I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for the likes, the shares, the comments. They mean the world to me. They really, really do. And a huge thank you to all the people supporting me financially, either here on YouTube with memberships or on patreon.com/ShowMeGood. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But if you can't do any of that stuff, like I was saying before, share it around. It means a lot to me. Either way, thank you so much. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Yes, I'm over here at the Haunted Mansion. Oh my gosh, because guess what? That's right. The maddest hatter of them all, right here. This is a gift for some buddies. Thank you, buddies. But I thought it'd be fun to ride Haunted Mansion today. Unfortunately, as you can see behind me, the construction walls will not allow it. However, I do have some old footage, so I thought we'd ride it together, do some newer commentary for you. I hope you enjoy it. So let's go ride the Haunted Mansion today, in a way. Edited.